Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another truck from Wheaton Honda.
Looking for a pre-owned pickup truck? This 2012 Ford F-150 Lariat could be the ticket. It's got a rugged look, thanks to things like a lift kit, chrome side steps, a bull bar on the front, fender flares, custom rims with all-terrain tires, and LED fog lights. This thing is packing a hefty V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission, good for 411 horsepower and 434 pound-feet of torque. You also get ControlTrac 4-wheel drive. It's got plenty of great features like remote keyless entry, leather seating, heated and cooled front seats, heated side mirrors, a sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, power adjustable pedals, a backup camera with sensors, factory-installed remote starter, and a spray and bed liner. It also comes with navigation, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and a CD audio system with USB and auxiliary inputs, along with Microsoft Sync technology.
Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.